Minutes. Yesterday, quickly we have to recapitalize once again the lines and angles, and we can start. So in this, there is a line PQ. PQ is parallel to, it's a line PQ. PQ is a line. Another line is QS. QS is another line. And not only this, we have one more line like that. This line is cutted into the region like that. Yeah, this is the figure given in your first bit. The names are given here. This is line PQ. This is line PQ, not PQ. The angle at Q is 98 degrees given. And this is ASQ angle is given. This is A. This meeting point is called S. This is Q. This angle is given as 28 degrees. 28 degrees. And ST is this is a line ST. This is the line ST. This is AB. In this, what you're supposed to find in this figure, PQ parallel to ST. If you PQ, if you extend this PQ, which is parallel to ST, the conditions are given. PQ parallel to ST. This is one condition given. And the other condition is, yeah, that's all. AB is a straight line. The point AB is a straight line given. This is a line, children. AB is given as a straight line. AB is a line. And you need to find the angle BST. You need to find angle BST. Very, very simple, children. BST, how you supposed to find BST means?
98
Yes.
minus 20.
Very, very simple. Sahashvita, are you there?
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to find out BST. This angle you're supposed to find out. Can we take it as a PQS and QST as what angles, children? Can you take this as alternative interiors?
Alternative interior angles.
Yes, alternative interiors are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alternative. So
X
this
plus
how much?
98.
90. Yeah, 98 minus 28, right? This
Yes,
angle. Suppose this part, if you want, you can take it as 98 minus 28 gives
70.
70. Now you know this is 28, this is 70, or else this complete angle is 90, you know that? 90. Or else this part of angle is till here 70, you know that? 70 plus this angle should be equal to what, children? This is a straight line, they said. 70
180 minus 70.
Very good. 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 gives
110.
110. Right. This is the way you can find the unknown angle, children. This is first question. Children, can I repeat the condition?
What if I have to find S, ma'am?
Only yes. If you want to find yes angle, there is which yes you are asking? Complete angle of yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete angle is 98.
Okay, ma'am.
Why? Because alternative interiors are equal. Children, I am just coloring with this complete part is nothing but this part, children. Why? Because this is parallel lines, alternative interiors are equal. So 28 plus what number gives you 90? 70. So the part of angle alternative is 70 degrees. So this angle is 70 and another part you're supposed to find out. This gives a straight line. Yes, children, this gives straight angle. You just see this is a straight angle. To find a straight angle, we know that a straight angle becomes 180
180
degrees, right,
degrees.
children? So
Yes,
70
ma'am.
plus what angle gives you 180?
Ma'am,
110.
180. Ma'am, we have to do 180 minus 70
Very good. That's all, children. Step by step, I
is
think
equals
can
to
do the sums.
110.
Right. Next question. Only the part what we are using. First, we are using alternative interior angles are
Equal.
equal. This is one we completed, and another one is a linear pair. What is linear pair here? 70 plus this unknown angle. 70 plus BST. Linear
Linear
pair.
pair is it should be equal to 180.
70 plus angle BST should be equal to 180. So based on that, you are
BST is
finding the
equals to
value of
180 minus 70, 110.
next figure is given here. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Let me clear, children. Any doubt in this bit? Ishan?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I have no doubts. I can do the next problem.
Yes. Just a minute, children. Raghav,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
any doubt in the first bit?
No, ma'am.
Shiva Pranav?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these type of questions are there in IMO.
Ritvik?
Shivaprana is there.
Ma'am, Ritvik, I'm there, ma'am.
Ma'am, what if they ask if PQ is parallel to AB?
Yes, ma'am. What's your doubt?
Ma'am, I'm asking that if the question is saying that if the question is P by Q is parallel to AB or not.
Okay. Children, please think about just a minute.
Ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, you're on mute. Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, actually, I have joined late due to the internet issue. Can you tell what to do?
Yeah, that's why I'm waiting, children, because continuously one joining. If I closed here, just this is the first sum we did. This is the first sum. Ritvik, why too late today?
Ma'am, small internet issue.
Okay. Next question, please. Think, children. Let me draw the same thing. Very simple thing. It's a quadrilateral is given
Questions
here.
from the foundation book. Ma'am, are these questions from the foundation book?
Okay. Yes, Ahna, please try to answer the question. Ahna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Yeah, please. Only the properties we are using here. This is a given figure. Yes, Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika, are you there in the classroom? Ritvik,
Yes,
Ian?
ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, you can hear me? Hello?
I just want to whether I'm audible.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, we are able to.
Actually, this is diagonal, children, but it is not happening here properly. Let me take. If you have classroom, please open your classroom. You can see the questions, IMO questions in your classroom. This is ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. It's not a parallelogram, children. It's a trapezium. Actually, I supposed to draw some different part here. Yeah, this is the figure given. In this figure, the what is that? ABCD trapezium. ABCD trapezium. It's this side and the diagonal are equal here. This length is equal. So by saying this is forms a triangle also, children, you can think in different ways. It's 82 degrees given. This is extended to CE. Yeah, you have to find the angle Y here. And this angle is given as 64. This angle is given as 64. What are the conditions here? ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Conditions are given AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to, DC, AB parallel to DC, and EAC is a straight line. EAC is a straight line. You need to find the value of Y. So how you supposed to find, children? These are parallel lines. You just think about a transversal. This is a transversal. So if it is transversal, how you supposed to think, children? This is a parallel lines. So EC is a transversal cut by the parallel lines. Please think and give the answers. What is the value of Y you supposed to find out here? So what is the first step? You can think here, please. EAC is straight line. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. You need to find the value of Y. To find out the value of Y, what we can see, children? Can we take with this as a base angles are equal in So if you see this triangle, what type of triangle it looks like, children? This side and this side is equal given condition. So AC and AD are equal. AC and AC equal to AD. By seeing this condition, what is the triangle? Name of the triangle? If two sides. Huh? What more?
Ma'am, side angle side.
Yeah, that's okay. Side angle. What type of triangle it is?
Ma'am, ma'am, it is isosceles.
Isosceles. In isosceles, base angles are equal, right, children?
Ma'am, base
Base
angles are
angles are equal. This is a straight angle. This part is given as 82. What is this part?
Ma'am, 180 minus
180 minus
98. 98.
180?
98, ma'am. 180 minus 82.
180 minus 82.
Ma'am, 180 minus 9. Ma'am,
So 98. So
Yeah.
what is the x value here?
ma'am, x value will be
X plus 98 equal to 180.
180. So it will be 2x plus 98 is equals to 180. So
2x
180
equal to
minus
180 minus 98.
Ma'am, 2x is equals to 82. So 2x
X is equal to 82 by 2.
So it will be 40.
41.
It will be
So
41.
if x value 41, we know that x plus this angle is adjacent. In trapezium, what are adjacent? In quadrilateral, what are the adjacent sides, children?
Ma'am, adjacent sides are C and B.
Or else, if you know this as x value, is any relation that directly we can go? Any other ways are there? Please think, children. Is any other ways are there?
And we can go with
The
equal.
trapezium means we have one parallel sides, children. Those are AB and DC are given. And what about y value? How you supposed to find y value here? Yes, how you supposed to find y value, children? You know this is x. This is x means this is also 41. So 41 plus this 64 and 41 together, how much, children? 64 and 41. 64 plus 41.
Ma'am, 64
105.
105.
105 plus y plus 98 equal to 360.
360. So it will be 45 plus 45 plus not 5 plus 98.
So what is the y value? Please let me know, children. What is the y value?
2 minutes.
Ma'am, can't we just add everything and then subtract it with 180? I mean 360.
Anything you can. You just make it as 360 or else the easy method is there, children. Any adjacent sides should be supplementary like that we can take here. Then 105 plus 105 plus 105. Sorry, it's 105.
Ma'am, it will be
plus
108. Ma'am, y will be 108 because 41 plus 105 will be 146. And 146 plus 98 will be 244. And 360 minus 244 will be 108.
But answer is not there, children. Answer is
116.
116, ma'am.
Am I got it?
No, children, answer is not there. The values, the options are here.
Ma'am,
56,
y was 116.
56. So option B is 41. Option C is 75. Option D is 98.
Ma'am, option is not the answer.
Ma'am, I think
Yeah, that's why. Yes.
Ma'am, I think 98, ma'am, because they're finding.
No, any vertically opposite angles. If you take, if you take as a straight line. This is
Ma'am, 41. Ma'am, because 41 and y look the same size, ma'am.
Ma'am, even I think it's 41 only, ma'am, the answer.
What, ma?
Ma'am, 40, I think it is 41, ma'am. Because 41 parallel is y.
Corresponding.
Yes, ma'am.
Corresponding angle is coming.
Okay, 41, how it is correspond? Okay, It's a Z angle. 1 minute, ma. Is it a Z angle? 1 Y becomes a C. If you take as a C, 64 plus 41 is 105. 105 means C is 75. Is it 75, children? Yeah, I think so. This is 75, children. Y equal to 75. We can't. Of course, still here it is correct what we did. How 75 will happen means you just, these are the parallel lines they said. These are the parallel lines means in Z this angle and this exterior part is equal, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So y equal to how much? This exterior part 105 plus what number gives you?
By ma'am, it is 75, but how?
105 plus what number gives you?
180, ma'am. It is 75, but how you got it? Means,
This is 75. Y is also 75. Yes, once check the answer, my dear.
Ma'am, once can
I
you
think
tell how you got 75?
No, you just, I'll mark the color with the color. You just observe the thing of why I took that part. This I'm taking, children. This because the parallel lines are given. This part I'm taking. And I extended this down line, parallel line like that. If you extend this part, you by seeing what you can observe, children, this is what type of angle? Alternative.
Alternative interior angles. Okay, ma'am. They are equal.
Alternative interiors are equal. So y equal to 75, children.
Okay,
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt here?
Ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Any doubt, children? First, what we did, suppose this is two sides are equal in a triangle. We are taking as if isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means base angles are equal. 1 minute, Ritvik. So base angles are equal means x plus, yeah, what number gives you 180, children? So 2x. 98, how you get on the top angle? 98 means 82 plus 98 is forms a linear pair. So 98 plus 2x equal to 180. So 2x equal to 180 minus 98. It's nothing but 82. If you subtract 82, you are getting, so 2x equal to 82 means x value you are getting as 41. So you know that x plus 64 together is one complete angle in a trapezium. Okay, one, and we have find out only value of y. You can go with two methods here, children. Y plus 64 plus 41 equal to 180. Also, you can go y plus 64 plus 41 together. Also, you can go with 180. You should equate 180. Why? Because they are same side of a transversal. Interiors, the same side of a transversal gives 180, right? Yes, sir. No, children?
Yes.
So that is also, if you find like that also, you're getting 75 only. Because 105, 180 minus 105 is 70.
And by doing straight angle
180 minus?
And by doing
180 minus 105.
Ma'am, by doing straight angle, you did this, right, ma'am? Because 41 plus 64 is 105 and 180, 5.
No, this is, I'm taking, if you go with the two ways here, children, let me help the points because we are not going to, yeah, please, which this same bit?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here you
if
did
you take,
first.
If you take this as transversal, so this angle and this part of angle is together what, children? It's the interior same side of a transversal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Interior same side of a transversal.
Yes, ma'am.
That is one way, or else you go with extra alternative exteriors also, children. Ritvik, what's your doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first you did 41 plus 64, which is 105, and then you subtracted 105 from 180, right, ma'am?
Yes. Why? Because 41, 64 together is in one angle, right? Left side angle.
105.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am, we
right.
understood it. Even I asked the same
Okay.
word.
Okay. Shall we go ahead, children? Okay. Right. Ritvik. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Each and every bit is different here, children. Even in your foundation books also you have some different questions. Please go through all the varieties of questions, children. Next one. How many sounds you are practicing, that much perfectness. Third question, the figure is given very simple. Shall I clear the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who will answer fast the next bit? Let me check.
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am,
second
these
bit.
questions
Ma'am,
are,
I already know the answer, ma'am.
ma'am,
It's
these
A
questions
option.
are from where, ma'am? Like,
Okay.
doing these questions
Ma'am,
from.
it is A option. A plus B is
Very
equal
good.
to
Very good. Very simple,
Ma'am, what
children.
A
This is
option,
the.
ma'am? Ma'am, you didn't
This
show the
is
question.
just a minute. Let me draw. You have questions with your children in your classroom. Please open your classroom and see IMO stuff in your classroom.
Ma'am, I did not got any notification.
long back answer.
Long back it is there. Please go through that.
Ma'am, we can just tell my screen.
Yeah, please, all of you open your part, children, so that it is easy for you. This is the question given here, children. In this question, what are the points given? In a figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel. One minute, children. AB, please go through that classroom, your classroom, see your question.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you. Ma'am, are you
Your
there?
voice is breaking a little bit before when you are talking.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you're muted. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, children, yes. Yeah, did you open your classroom?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Please open your classroom. I give the time for you to open.
Ma'am, mine is telling something.
Hmm?
Ma'am, like where exactly in the classroom, ma'am?
You have in your classroom, what is the name, Raghav? What is the name?
Ma'am, Google
Ma'am,
Class.
Google Classroom.
Date, any date is given there?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am, it is posted on June 22nd.
14.
Ma'am, I'm just posting the link.
Yeah. Next one. This is a part given there. Here, condition, according to condition, A, B, C, D are parallel, children. Actually, I'm not doing that much. Actually, A, B, C, D are parallel. I'll write A, B is parallel to C, D. Very good. I got answers from my students. Yeah, someone posted also. Thank you, Ritvik. Please go through that, children. Open your classroom and see the questions. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD. Which of the following statement is true?
Ma'am,
What are the
both
options?
statements.
so here A plus B is 180. A plus B is 180. By seeing only you can say, children, why it is A plus B is 180.
Same side of the transversal.
Same side of transversal.
Very good. The same side of a transversal.
Transversal.
Yeah. Same side of a transversal makes supplementary. And B plus C is another condition. B plus C is 180. Is B plus C is 180, children?
No, ma'am.
It is not. No, ma'am.
Next, A plus C plus D is 180 given.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This C plus D is also not 180. Next, A plus B plus C is 180. 360.
No, ma'am.
A plus B plus C is 360. A plus B plus C is 360.
Yes, ma'am.
Which option is correct, children?
Option
First one is
A.
correct. Please check the ones C bit last option also. A plus B plus C makes 360 or not. Please once you check, children.
Yes, ma'am, it does.
I think so. This is also because this is if you take as
Z.
I think no.
no.
Ma'am, I think yes.
Yeah, that's why, because the figure you just
Yeah.
see your original figure, children, because the theory I did a little different.
Yes.
Ma'am, because it is.
This is one parallel, this is another parallel, this is another parallel
Ma'am,
is
because
given.
C and D are alternative interior angles. How it can be?
Yeah, 1 minute, ma. This is C. Of course, it is A. This is A. This is B. This complete one is C. Okay. If you take it as C, this one straight, this is B. Even B plus C is also 180, children. Children, even B plus C is also forms a straight line, I think so here. You can B plus C. This is why, because this is vertically opposite, no? No.
Ma'am,
Is
there
it
is C
vertically
also,
opposite?
D also, no, ma'am. Ma'am, there is angle
No,
D.
children, it's not vertically opposite. It's not vertically. It's not vertically
It
opposite
is
angle.
parallel, but it is not a straight.
Yeah. It is parallel, but it's not vertically. We can't do that. Only option A is correct. Next, a number of independent measurements required to construct a triangle.
3.
3, ma'am.
Very good. 3 measurements. 3 sides you need, children, to construct triangle. In the given figure, ABCD is a rhombus. Who will say the properties of rhombus? All properties
Ma'am,
of
all the
rhombus.
sides are equal.
Very good. All sides are equal. As Raghav said, all sides are equal in a parallelogram. Any other point?
Ma'am, and it equals to 180. No, ma'am, 360. The degree.
Equal to?
360 degrees.
This is given, children. Figure, it is given like that. This line can be extended here little. This can be extended like that. This is actually figure given in your book. What they mentioned here.
Ma'am,
A,
that
B, C, D. Yeah. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is rhombus, children. A, B, C, D is rhombus. Who will say the property? Only one, all sides are equal. 1 point, Raghav said. I didn't get any points, children. Please recollect once again.
Ma'am, I said, ma'am, the degree is 360 degree like in total.
Okay, sum of angles in a quadrilateral. Any quadrilateral means rhombus is 360. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other points? Please, children, you're supposed to give many points. You're giving only. What about diagonals, Raghav?
Ma'am?
Ma'am, there are
What
two
about
diagonals.
Okay, two diagonals. About diagonals is intersecting, bisecting. Yes.
Ma'am, they are bisected.
Okay, now you're supposed to see here. CGEF is a square and ABCD is a rhombus. In this case, you need to find the value of y. How you supposed to find out the value of y?
First we can 120.
Children, you know what is the rhombus properties? I will write rhombus properties, children. Everyone are, let me give or else I'll call the student. All sides are equal and parallel. All sides are equal.
Doing this from the textbook, right?
Yes,
This is
yes,
from the
Govi.
IMO worksheet. IMO worksheet.
Ma'am, I don't have the
Yeah.
textbook. Ma'am, so can I
From
solve some
classroom.
questions in IMO?
Yeah, from
While-
classroom, Nana, from classroom.
Ma'am,
Govi.
the link is in chat box, ma'am.
Yeah, the first one.
Yeah, here all sides are equal. Is diagonals are perpendicular bisectors? Children, is diagonals are equal for rhombus?
On diagonal.
Okay, children. Square
diagonals
and
are not
rhombus are
equal.
looking similar. All sides are equal for square. All
Diagonals
sides are
are also
equal.
equal, ma'am.
No, diagonals are equal in this case. Square case,
But in rhombus, they are not equal.
diagonals are equal.
Oh, yes, ma'am. It's not equal.
Here
and
diagonals are
unequal.
unequal. And perpendicular bisectors, children. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisectors means perpendicular bisectors.
Ma'am, they separate into equal parts, ma'am.
Very good. They are equal parts. How and angles?
Exactly.
What about what you know about angles, children? Of is it anything you know about angles? Yes, because here given only angles, right? Is it Ishan? Are you there? What are the properties of rhombus?
Rhombus, all angles will add up to 360.
Okay, only I don't. All angles means
Ma'am,
here
all of the opposite angles will be equal, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Angle B will be
Opposite
120 degrees. Angle B will
Very
be
good.
120 degrees and C and A will be 60 degrees each, ma'am.
Very good. This is 120 plus 120, 240. 240 means?
Ma'am will get 60
Yeah.
because 60 plus 60 is again 120 and 240.
This is 30. This is 30, children. Why? Because it is equally divided. Very good. This point I want, children. Because of this point, I'm continuously lagging. Next one. Now, what is the question? You're supposed to find the value of y. In square, each angle is nothing but
90 degrees.
each angle should be equal to 90.
90 degrees.
So this part 30 and this part we don't know. Total together y plus 30 equal to 90. What is the value of
60.
y, children?
Y is equals to 60. 90 minus 30 will be 60.
It's to 60.
Very good. So you need to find the value of y is 60 degrees. Very good, man. That's all. Like that, different. You need to think, children. Everything is, you need to know properties. You need to know even, if you know the rule of opposite angles are equal in rhombus, then only you can able to solve this problem. Next, shall we go with the next bit, children? The supplementary angles are in the ratio 7:11. Then the angles are
Ma'am, this is simple, ma'am.
Supplementary angles are in the ratio.
Ma'am, we have to add them 18 and 7 by 18 into 180.
18x equal to 18x equal to 180, right?
Ma'am, we can also do in like another method, ma'am, numerals method.
X equal to 10. So 70 and 110 together. So what are the
70
angles?
and 110. 70 and 110.
One. Yeah, that's all. Next, seventh bit is also very, very important, children. If P, two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. The statements are given, children. P statement is given. If two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. And what about Q statement? Q statement is sum of all angles around the points is 180. Sum of all angles around the point is 180 degrees. Is it so, children? Sum of all angles?
No, ma'am, 360 degrees.
Exactly. Wonderful. So
Ma'am,
then
P
which
is
of
true
the,
and Q is false.
what?
Yes, ma'am.
P is true and Q is false. Option B.
Option B, P is true, Q is false. Very good. Very good. Good. Right. Next question. Go to the question number 8. Children, question number 8, there is a diagram. I'll draw the diagram on the screen. It's a simple diagram. You can easily do this bit. Yeah. This is AB and the CD are parallel lines, children. It's taking time, children. When diagrams are happening, it takes time. AB is one line and the CD is another line. These two are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. This is joining like that. And this CD line will join in this way. So now these are the different angles. What are the angles given here? Let me write the angles. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. You can take. This angle is given as 112, children. This angle is given as 112. This is 58. You need to find this. This part is given as F exterior. You're supposed to find. What conditions are given? AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and other condition is
Ma'am,
AF.
D
Yeah,
equals to
AF.
ma'am, A is also 58.
AF is also parallel to BC. AF is also parallel to BC. And what other part is given, children? Then you need to find angle AFC.
Ma'am,
This
angle A
part
will
is-
be 58.
AFD you supposed to find out. You need to find out the angle AFD. Yeah,
Ma'am.
how you supposed to find? Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, please.
first, ma'am, angle A will be 58, ma'am. Ma'am, because if you see
Why
there is
angle A will be 58?
ma'am, because there is a Z over there, ma'am.
Very
So
good.
this
Is it? Very
Ma'am?
good. Parallel lines are given. So
Yes,
parallel
ma'am.
lines means if you take this as a transversal,
Transverse.
absolutely Z. What is the value of A here? It's
58.
58. If it is 58, can we go here? This is also 1 minute. Is it 58? I think so. No, right?
No, ma'am, that's not 58.
It's not 58. Nana.
58.
No, it's not 58. Please think in any
Ma'am,
other way.
it is like in an N angle, right? N.
Of course, but the
And
any property you're supposed to use, Nana. Parallel lines property means if they're asking about this is parallel, right? This is parallel. If you extend this, if you take as a transversal this line, what happened? Any point you will get here? You will just check it.
Yes, ma'am.
If you take that, this is 58 means directly this will also 58 only. Why?
Yes, because interior alternate angles.
Very good. Who said this word? Very good. Very good. One girl said.
Sahashwita.
Yes, Sahashrita. What is y value? But 58. No, if you extend this as a transversal. If you extend this as a transversal, no, this is not, because this is only one line. We are taking outside. It is not possible, I think so, Sahashrita. Any other way, please? Let me check.
Right, ma'am. How it can be interior?
No, not exterior, because two lines it is supposed to divide. Then only angles are made, right, children? We can't take this exterior part here. This, if you extend like that, this is a transversal. If the transversal cut the lines in different 2 points, then only we can go with whatever alternative interiors, corresponding angle. Is any other way is there? Please think.
2 minutes.
Yes, if I'm taking like that. No, it is also, if I'm taking like that, any shape is happening here. Yes, how you did, children, this? How many sided polygon this one? Please think it. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the angles in a pentagon, children? Sum of angles in a pentagon. If it is parallel, we can go here, children. This is a, if it is a parallel, I'll take line only.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute, Raghav. Here, they said according to them, we can extend this, right, Raghav?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just wanted to ask, if we did 180 minus 112, we'll get A angle, right?
180 minus 112.
Yes, ma'am. We'll get A angle, and A angle is alternative to the Y angle.
Very good. Yeah,
98
adjacent
degrees.
angles.
And but we are getting
adjacent angles property. Which property you are using there to find out angle A?
Ma'am, I'm subtracting 112 from 180, ma'am.
My question is, Raghav, if we are taking these as, it should be we are unable to take here.
Ma'am, it's like same side of the transfer.
Same side of the transfer.
We'll get us 54, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's the same side of the transversal.
Okay, same side of your transversal.
Because if we extend this line, AB line, and the transversal is cutting through it, so we can use the same.
Very good. That is also, yeah, you can. Very good. That is one way you can.
98 as the answer.
So you are taking this, right? Yes, then it is, so yeah, same side of your transversal you are getting. So 112 plus what angle gives you 180, children? 112 plus what angle gives?
98, ma'am.
If it is 98, any other relation to find the value of here?
Ma'am, 9.
No, this is, you know, this one you know as a, this angle you know as a 58. This angle is also 98,
ma'am.
This is 98. What is the third angle, children? 98 plus 58. 98 plus 58.
Ma'am, how did we get 98, ma'am?
1 minute, 1 minute. I will help you, ma'am. Now 180 minus 156. How much, children? 180 minus 156. 180 minus 156 is?
Ma'am, 34. Sorry,
34.
24.
So,
ma'am, it's
okay,
24.
So 24. Very good. This part of third angle is 24. Now in this triangle, The one part is 24. This angle is nothing but 24. So this is a straight line, forms a straight line. 24 plus what number gives you 180 here? 156.
98.
Huh?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, this is 98, ma'am. A angle.
156, I think, children. 156. Is it 156? Is there in the
Ma'am, but
answer?
have you got
No,
156?
ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's not there, ma'am. 156. Ma'am, firstly,
No, what
how
is
did
the-
we get 98, ma'am?
98 means
180 minus 112.
180 minus 112 will be 68, right, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
children, please think here how you're supposed to get. Please think little more.
Ma'am, and also have you got 98, ma'am? Ma'am?
Ma'am, it's 68 only, not 98.
Yeah, that's what.
Yes, ma'am, it's 68. Ma'am, one minute.
Yes, I think it is 68, children, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is 68 only.
Yes.
If it is 68,
it makes
this
a
is also
straight angle.
68. 68 plus 58.
68 plus 58.
Plus 58, 126.
126.
So 126, 180 minus 126.
And 180 minus 126 will be
54.
54. If the third angle is 54, 54 plus what number gives you 180 to make a straight line, this complete angle?
Ma'am, 126.
126.
So the required angle is?
126. Ma'am, it is there in the options.
Yes, ma'am, option B.
But before we are taking instead of 68, 98. That's why we didn't get the answer. Please, you just think and where we are taking. Instead of 68, we wrote 98.
Yeah, and that's what I.
This is very carefully you have to answer the questions, children. It's not so easy. You need to think a lot here. If you practice, you will understand. Next, coming to the 10th one. No, 11th bit in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse 13, one side 12, third side. Please tell the children hypotenuse 13, one side is 12, a third side means 13 square minus 12 square.
Ma'am,
13 square is 169 minus 12 square 144.
5, ma'am, 25.
So 125 means 5 square.
5 square.
5. Very good. 5 square means only 5, right? The third side is 5. Next, 10th bit. That is simple, children, that you can do because we practice many bits of like a
I'm so
Pythagoras.
11th one will be.
And 11th one is little tricky one, children. 11th one again, little tricky one and important too.
The three angles of a triangle.
Ma'am, this is simple, ma'am. Ma'am, an angle is x is equal to 45 is that.
X equal to 45 because very good, very good. Can you please tell why it is 45?
Ma'am, x is equal to 2.
Yes, ma'am. X is equal to 45 because there is 1, 2, 1 and 45. And 45 will become 90 and 2 means 45 plus 45 90. So 90 plus 90 180. So the greatest angle will be 90.
Very good. And what other part is given here?
Ma'am, I think x is equal to 2
X is equal to 45 only, ma'am. But
ma'am, it is not there in the options, ma'am. Ma'am,
it is
what
there,
I
ma'am,
think is.
Children, please, Ishan, what is the answer here? Ishan, are you there? Did you open our sheet, IMO sheet?
Ma'am, I don't have that.
Please, in our classroom, you have, please check everyone have with you.
Ma'am, I'm
You
not
have
able to
classroom?
open my Google Classroom, ma'am.
Children, do you have classroom with you or not?
Classroom, ma'am, or class book?
Yes, yes. Classroom. Do you have a classroom?
Ma'am, you mean
Please.
Google Classroom?
Yes, ma. Google Classroom. Every student having, I think
Ma'am,
so.
I do, but I'm not logged in for some reason.
Why? What is the reason, please? If you have questions,
Ma'am, this is a
because
different
it is very
laptop than the one. Ma'am, this is a different laptop
children
than
for
the one that
me.
I logged on.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Here
90 is
it's a
not
little
there,
difficult
but
for me to draw the diagrams. It takes time. So if you have questions with you, even you can see and think. So
ma'am,
this
it's
is A,
90,
B,
but
C,
there
D.
is no option, ma'am.
A, B, C, D is rectangle. Let me check. It is correct only, children. We are thinking little wrong. That is the way happening there. Let me check. It's a really tricky question, children. Really tricky question. Yeah. This is E. This mix meeting point is nothing but a G. This angle is given as 74. Not this, children, not this, sorry. The upper
Ma'am,
one.
75 to the 150.
No, this is given as 74. This part is given as Y, and this is X. So here these two sides are equal given, children. Two sides are equal means base angles are also equal, children. This is okay. What are the conditions given? ABCD is, what is ABCD figure, children? Is a rectangle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav?
Ma'am, I think Y is 20 degrees, ma'am, because if the two sides are same, the angles are same, the base angles will also be same, right? So
That's why. If you know that property, you can easily identify here. Very good.
So the base angle will be 20 degrees, while is also 20 degrees due to alternate angles.
Okay, let me check, Raghav. This is in rectangle FA equal to FG condition given, children. FA equal to FG condition given. Both are equal. And AGE and BGF are straight lines. AGE and BGF are straight lines. And you need to find the values of x plus y equal to how much? How you can find here?
So we need to
Base angle. Yes, who will answer this question?
Ma'am, the base
Really
angle will be 20 degrees, ma'am, and
why 20 base angle? How you can say this is 20?
ma'am, because the sides are also equal.
No, Raghav. My question is why you supposed to take as a base? Huh? What is the reason to take base angle as? If you take these two are parallel lines, if you take any relation you are getting here, children.
Ma'am, like a transversal.
Like a transversal also you can think sometime. But here what is the way we are going to get base angles are equal means this part equal to this is the part. Total sum should be equal to 180. How you can say those that is you need to find the FAG angle, children. FAG, if you know means you obviously FAG equal to FGA, both are same. Since isosceles triangle or any part, every angle is 90 degrees here. If you know this is 90, what is this third angle in the triangle, children? 90 plus 20 is 90 plus 20 enta nana?
110.
90. 110 plus
180 minus 110.
70. This part is 70. This part is 70. This part we don't know. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So any other method here? Is it a straight
Ma'am,
line?
ma'am, can I tell one more method? Ma'am.
Yes, what is, yeah, please. Any logic you are finding here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we found out that C is 90 and B is 74. So we can form a figure like FCB as a triangle. So 90 plus 74 plus F equals to 180. So if we find that angle, then D and C line can be a straight angle. So 70 plus 90 plus 74 plus F plus X equals to 180.
And we can use.
Harini?
Yes, ma'am.
Harini? Is there any relation between these two lines? You have to see, Harini. Please, you can check like that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav?
Ma'am, the 20 is like alternative like that X angle, you know?
X alternative is, what is X alternative? Z?
Yes,
Ma'am, I'm trying
No,
to
no, X
Not
alternative is
Z. Oh, alternative
this-
is this Y angle.
complete X plus 70 together. X plus 70 together, it's alternate to
Y angle.
Y angle. That's correct. Both are equal.
X
So
will be-
X plus 70 together equal to Y.
Ma'am, but A angle is also alternative to X angle, no, ma'am.
X plus
Angle A
A
20
is alternative to X.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. This is also correct. What you said is also correct. This both, no, this part is left over, right?
Ma'am, we can use straight angle property.
Raghav, we can't, Raghav, we can't make a Z here, right?
Ma'am, for X, we can use a straight angle property, no, ma'am.
We can't use that part here.
Ma'am, but-
No,
ma'am,
we,
Ma'am, because a straight line
Raghav,
is
you
also
said,
there.
you are telling Raghav, this 20
Ma'am,
is
we can use the straight angle property, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I'm telling because 70 plus.
X to find out the value of X.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
I'm
find
getting
the value of X. Because there's a
Hey,
straight
children,
line.
this part, who will give this part?
Ma'am,
3 makes 2. Yes.
ma'am, so then basically 90 plus 74, ma'am. Ma'am, you can make a triangle like FCB, ma'am. So then like
Yes.
if you have to find F, so 90 plus 74, which is nothing but 164. So 180 minus 164 is 60. So 70 plus 16 plus X equals to 180.
Which triangle, from which triangle you are telling, ma?
Ma'am, this.
Ma'am, FCB.
Ma'am, but
Or else you can go here, one thing, y plus 90 equal to y plus
Y
some
plus
part
90.
of this.
Ma'am, it will be 90 only, no, ma'am.
This is 90. If this is 90 means, what
This
is this
is-
angle, children?
And this is also
74
90.
plus
The base are same, ma'am. The base will be
Adra,
same.
ఇక్కడ 74 from this triangle, from this triangle, 90 plus 74. 90 plus 74 means what you will get here. Children, from this triangle, I can say triangle name as ABEF. ABE, since from triangle ABE, you see, children, ABE triangle, one angle is 74, another angle we know that as a 90. What is this third angle? What is this third angle?
Ma'am,
Yes.
16.
Ma'am, 180. Ma'am, we have to
Very
do
good.
180.
16. Very good. 16. Someone said correct.
Ma'am,
Now
she did in the way of 90.
Ma'am, 20 plus 16, ma'am, 36. So 90 minus
36.
26.
90 minus 36.
24,
How
ma'am.
much?
24.
Huh?
24.
90 minus 36, Nana.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have a doubt. 90 plus 70 is.
54.
Ma'am, she did
54. ఇది 54 అయితే బేస్ యాంగిల్ ఆల్సో 54 నాన్న. అప్పుడు x 54 plus 54 gives 1 minute నాన్న. I will help you.
108.
108. 180 minus 108.
180 minus 108 will be like 102. Yes. No, sorry, ma'am. 2. Ma'am, 72.
170. No,
72.
X value 72 నాన్న. X value 72 అయితే you need to
Ma'am,
find
72.
y value.
Ma'am, y value also will be 90 only, ma'am.
No, we know this relation, right, children? What is y value?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the
72 plus 70 is equals to 5.
What more? 72 plus 142. Y value is 142. Children, any doubt
how?
here? There are many tasks are happening here. Let me help. What is the conditions here? 140 plus some should be you supposed to find out. 142 plus 70 means 200 and x plus y you supposed to find out, children, here. 142 plus, yeah. Children, this is a very tricky question. You have to think a lot here. Yeah, who understood this? This is rectangle, children. In this rectangle, that there are different triangles are built. Let me draw the triangles. This is a triangle given here. This is triangle. This is a triangle here. And there are different triangles, children. Please, based on triangle property only, we can solve here. So, ABCD rectangle. All angles in rectangle should be right angles, children. That is a known fact. This is 90. This is already given in your textbook as 20. What is this third angle, children? To find two, you know two angles. 90 plus 20 is 110. 110 plus this one is 70. If you know this as 70, we don't know this is given as x, children. This is given as x. So x plus 70, you just think like x plus 70, or else you just leave. Another condition is given, there are isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. What are those two sides are equal? This side and this side is equal. So if both sides are equal means base angles also equal, children. That is very important point. Base angles also equal. What are the base angles here? What are the base angles here, children? If you take this triangle, what are the base angle? This angle and this angle should be equal, right, children?
Yes, ma'am, equal.
So, but here it is given as, no. I think somewhere I wrote a diagram wrong, children. It's not connected
also
there.
we can
yes, ma'am. The diagram is actually the triangle of y is a bit shorter, ma'am. You connected it, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Like that. Don't consider this, children.
And
actually,
there is no 70 only, ma'am, there.
Yes.
Cannot form there 70.
Exactly, correct, children. Because the diagram I didn't check. Yeah. Base angles are once equal.
And the y is the angle, right?
Yeah, this is E, children. In this triangle, this part is given 74. If this is 74, means if you take a triangle AEB, you know this complete angle is right angle. What is this is 74, this is 90, means what is this part, children?
16, ma'am, because 74 will remaining 19, 74 minus 9.
Very good, 16 only, very good, 16. So you know this is 16 means what other, this is also one
degrees.
right.
And that angle will be 54 degrees.
Very good. This is 54 means in isosceles triangle is what is this angle, my dear?
54, ma'am. So 54 will be 108. Ma'am, that makes the angle 72. X is 72 degrees.
X is 72. If X is 72 means this part of angle is Y, children. This part of angle is Y. This is vertically opposite angles. Can we go with this 54, right?
Yes, ma'am, 54. Vertical opposite angle 54.
So 74 plus 54, how much?
Ma'am, that is 128. Ma'am, 53. 53.
What is y? Y equal to how much?
53, ma'am, I think. No, 52. Sorry. 52, ma'am.
So 74 means 70. This is
52,
50
ma'am.
means
128.
Ma'am will get like
52.
Ma'am will get by
180 minus 128.
Ma'am, it will be 52.
Very good.
Ma'am,
It's 52.
Ma'am,
Now,
because 54 plus 74 is 128
x
and
plus y equal to
180.
x plus y equal to 72 plus
72 plus 52.
4. It's 7 plus 5. How much, Nana?
12.
Which option is correct there?
Ma'am, 124. B1. B1.
Yes, correct, children. Step by step, here only we are using angle sum property, children, nothing, and alternative xt vertically opposite angles. So these are the two conditions we are using. Very good, children. Next one.
And next one, I think
one,
answer
same.
will be 105.
Yeah, angle is 45 less than 2 times of its supplement. The angle
So
is,
it will be x is equal to 2 into 180 minus x minus 45.
right, children. Please, the rest of how many questions are there in that? I
Ma'am,
think
30 questions are there, ma'am, total.
Okay, can you practice today, children? Can you please go through the rest of the bits? We will go with which question it is and what we are doing right now. Which bit we are doing? 11th bit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. An angle is 45 less than the 2 times of the supplement. Okay.
Ma'am, there are few more like 20-second problem. There are again.
No. Can we go with 2x? Anyway, x plus y equal to 180. Why? Because supplement angle sum should be equal to 180. The greater angle they're asking. If you take a smaller angle, if you take as a smaller angle as x, so what is another angle, children? The angle 45 less than 2 times of its supplement. 2 times of its supplement is 360. 360 minus 45 means 200.
Minus 45, it will be 200 and...
Ma'am, it will 315, ma'am, 315.
Ma'am, it will be 255.
360 minus 45.
360 minus 45, children.
Yeah, it will be 315 only, correct?
Please go through the 11th to rest of the bits. Slowly you practice, children, play, because there are many interesting questions you have in this. A few questions are little simple. A few diagrams needs to take time. Once your practice, next question, 12th bit, actually very simple question here. Why? Because x and y plus 48. X equal to y plus 48. Why x equal to y plus 48?
We already did yesterday, no, ma'am. That 12th bit.
Same question, right, Raghav?
Yes, ma'am. That came in this year's IMO this thing also.
Yeah. Right. This is long back, 2-3 years back bookmark. There are tricky questions. So day by day, it is complexity also reduced. I don't know what is that. Okay, children, we'll meet in next class. I have another class. The students are keeping messages. Please go through that step by step. Take your time and practice the sums. How many questions?
Tell me how to see the top of worksheet, ma'am, because I don't know.
Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you. Just a minute. Are you there? I'm sharing my. Yeah, please,
Yes,
please, please share to go ahead.
Yeah, what do you need actually?
Just how to see the top of worksheet.
You have to search in Google topper.in.
Actually, these are very wonderful questions. More than topper, there are tough, complex sums are there in this too. Please go through, children. Nowadays, I think there are only
Ma'am,
20
I
to
have the
25
topper
questions.
thing, ma'am.
Nothing to
I
worry.
have the topper thing, but I don't know how to see the word.
If you are able to do these sums, means you can do all sums in the world. Like that, the paper is there. This, especially this IMO papers, whatever in our Google Classroom. 9th class, all bits are covered in this worksheet. This IMO worksheets, children. 9th class, whatever the portion is there, that complete portion they sent to class 7. Children, don't feel difficult. Please practice regularly. It makes you. Yeah. Ishan, you're getting the question paper, 30 questions. Who are going to complete by tomorrow all 30 questions? If you have any doubt, you can call or you can take my support too. Yes, how many of you, please raise your hands? I can see only Ritvik. What about Raghav? Yes, Raghav, Ritvik, N. Very good, Raghav. Very good. There are 4 hands, Sahasrita. Wonderful job, Mama. Please take my support too if you are even Shiva Pranav. What about Ritvik Reddy, Gohit, Harini, Sri Vallabha? Yeah, Harini also. Okay, right, children, please practice all bits together.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Right, children. Bye. Bye, children. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Have a good day.
Have a nice day.